Determine which ordered pair is a solution to the system of equations. So what you have to remember is what a solution to a system of equations means. That means I've graphed 2 lines, at least 2 lines. It could be 3. I don't know. A system means more than one equation that's graphed. The solution is the intersection point. That means it's an xy coordinate that makes those equations a true statement. That's all it means. Works in both equations or all 3 equations or however many equations it is. All right? That's what a system of equations means. So in this first type of question, it's saying which one or which of these 3 is a solution. Doesn't mean only one of them is, maybe more than one. So all you're going to do is plug in x and y into the equations and see if it's true. For instance, like the first equation, 3 times 3 plus 2, what is that, 9 plus 2 equals 11. Is that what it's supposed to equal? Yeah, so that's a solution to the first equation. That's great, but it has to work in both. So negative 5 times 3 plus 2, what is that, negative 15 plus 2, negative 13, is that what it's supposed to equal? Yes, so this is a solution. I would say yes to this one. Then I try B. Same song, second verse. Put in a 3 minus y equals 11. It's supposed to. 9 minus 5, does that equal 11? No. So that's just an automatic no, because if it doesn't work in one, it's not going to work for the system. You can stop there. Look at C. 3 times 2 plus 0, is that going to equal 11? That's just 6, right? 6 is not equal to 11, so this is a no also. It's the first type of question on today's practice. That's it. You're just evaluating to see which of the points work in both equations. All right? Solving by substitution. What does it mean to substitute? Put in place of, right? Put in place of. So what am I putting in place of? I'm putting in place of a variable. So you look at your equations, I can either substitute in for x or y. Why would you choose y?
Because it's by itself already.
This one, when I look at it, it's already solved for y, isn't it? Sometimes it's already solved for you, and it makes it really easy about which one you want to substitute in for. All right? Ultimately, you want your answer, you're going to have an x and a y in your answer. So this is y. So I'm going to plug it into that part right there. So it's going to be 4x minus 5 times 2x minus 5 equals 7. All right? Everybody see what I did there? I took this equation and I plugged it in for the y in the first equation. And now we're just doing algebra to solve it out. So it's 4x minus 10x plus 25 equals 7. So negative 6x means I'm going to subtract 24 over here, right? I'm sorry, 25, thank you. It's like it doesn't come out right. 25, all right. So it'll be negative 18 divided by negative 6. That means x is 3, right? So that's part of my answer. X is 3, but I need the y part. How am I going to find the y part? Plug it into that equation, yeah. 2 times 3 minus 5 is my y. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, so that means my y value is a 1. And that's it. That's your answer. So you're just doing substitution today. Can you handle it?
Yes, ma'am.
Does this ring a bell? Remember doing this? Okay, good. Good, good, good.